Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you how to add keyframes in Capcut. The process is straightforward and effortless. As you can see, I already import my media in Capcut, and it's a picture, not a video, but the method of adding keyframe is same for both, means for picture and for video. The first thing I will do here is I will cut out that part in which I will add keyframe, because in this video I will add two keyframes, zoom in and zoom out. So that's why cut out that part in which you want to add keyframes. As you can see, I cut out the part from 3 seconds to 15 seconds. Now, let's add zoom in effect on the start of the part. And how can you do it? Take this line to the beginning of the part. Now I'll zoom in a bit so we can see easily. Now you can see the time frame has been divided into two parts from 3 to 4 seconds. You see 15F between these two. Now take this line a bit on the right side. Now select this part and take a look on the right side. You can see the option scale, and here is the option Add Keyframe. Tap on it. As I told you, I will add zoom in effect on the beginning of the part, so let's increase it a bit. So I zoom in on 110 seconds. Now, take this line to the beginning of the part. Tap on this option Add Keyframes. Now, take it back to 100. You can see on the timeline, the keyframes has been added. Now let's have a look how the keyframe actually look like. So now it's zoom in a bit. Now let's add zoom out effect. Now let's go to the end of this part. And this part is ending on 15 seconds. The zoom effect is the reverse of zoom in effect. And here the first thing you have to do is cut out the part of almost 1 second. As you can see, I will cut out from 14 seconds. Again, take this line to 14 seconds and tap on this option Add Keyframes. As you can see, it's already on 110, so we don't need to change it. Now, take this line at the end of this part and tap on this option Add Keyframes. And here, take it back to the 100. Now let's have a look how the zoom out effect actually look like. Now let's zoom out and play the whole video and see how it actually looks like. As you can see, the video zoom in here and zoom out here. So it is the fundamental way by which you can add keyframes in Capcut.